Hey, it's Steven from Bräu Supply, and I invented the new Bräu brewing system. So I have here a somewhat assembled steam condenser kit. So there's a lot of situations for a lot of brewers, home brewers especially, who want to brew beer, they want to brew it inside, they want to brew using electricity, but they might not have a place to vent the steam from the boil kettle. And if you've ever tried boiling wort inside your house with no ventilation, I mean, you can have water, moisture dripping off the ceiling pretty quickly. So anyways, I've got the kit in front of me and I'm just showing a partially assembled steam condenser. And all I did was I twisted the tip on, this is the spray tip, onto the inside of the flat face of the fitting, and I put the threaded connection on the other side, and I used Teflon tape. So that's standard. And the way that it works is this kind of inserts in the side, and I'll just quickly assemble it, and then I'll show you how to mount it to a kettle. So here we have the side mount assembled, and this one attaches to the Bräu kettle, and you just need to make sure that the steam condenser is going to work as long as you've got your boil level or your water line isn't higher than about within an inch from the top. Also, you're going to want to be aware that you're going to boil off less liquid. So you have to adjust your strike or your sparge volumes because of the lesser liquid that you're going to boil off. For example, if you're going to boil off a gallon of water normally with the lid off, with the lid on, you might only boil a quarter of a gallon off. So you just need to adjust and compensate for that. Again, you're going to want to attach your water line, your supply line goes here, your drain line goes here. And the concept of it is the steam's coming out of the port here, and it gets vaporized by just a little bit of cold water that is sprayed into the steam port, and it just turns it into liquid. Again, in my experience, a typical boil, I fill up about a 5-gallon pail through the entire boil process. So it really doesn't use very much water to be able to condense all that steam. I think that's it for the steam condenser. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe and share. If you've got any ideas for us, we'd love to hear from you. Catch you next video.